Today I am going to explain the one Azure service, that is Azure Cosmos DB. Overview and key feature we should explain, and why we use Cosmos DB. What is Azure Cosmos DB? Azure Cosmos DB is fully managed NoSQL database service designed for modern app development. Fully managed means the operational tasks such as installation, scaling, backup, and security. These all are handled for you. You just store the data and retrieve the data. NoSQL database means it is a broad category of non-relational database system. It will be used to store and manage the large volume of data. They are in the form of structured or semi-structured or unstructured. Structured data means organized into fixed schema or rows and columns. For examples, tables and Excel spreadsheet. Semi-structured data means there is no naturally we can create them as a table, but they have the tags and markers. Example, JSON documents and XML files. Unstructured data means no predefined schema. Example, Word document and PDFs and images, videos. Why we use the Cosmos DB? Because the person in anywhere in the world, he can easily access the data. That's why we use the Azure Cosmos DB. And data automatically accessible from another region if one fails. Automatic horizontal partitioning means data is partitioned into different. So if you want to manage the large and uneven workloads. Support for multiple APIs such as SQL, MongoDB and Graph means you can handle different form of data such as table format or graph format according to your app requirement. High availability example. Suppose app used in India, US and Germany. It remains available. If East US region fails, it can fetch the data automatically from the nearest region such as North Europe and Central India. Where to use Azure Cosmos DB, or some examples where we use the Azure Cosmos DB. IoT and sensor data where schema change frequently and low latency is critical. And e-commerce and social media for real-time personalized user experiences across geographies. Chat and messaging application requiring high throughput and global message delivery. This is all about the Azure Cosmos DB overview. Thank you.